Hello everyone. Today we'll continue to study the data entry in SAP ERP system. Last time we learned how to input data for the procurement transactions. Today we will learn how to input data for the sales transactions. What should we record? What kind of information we should record when we sell products to the customers? Similar to the procurement process, a sales process can also be divided into several sub-steps. For instance, we need to record the information of the customer's order and then notify the warehouse to prepare for the customer's orders. When the orders are ready for shipment, the warehouse needs to record information in the SAP system. The information includes what kind of products they send out to the customers, how many products were sent out, and so on and so forth. After that, the sales department needs to create receipts for the customers. The sales need to record the information of the invoice for the customers in the SAP system. The sales department also need to inform the accounting department about how much money the customers owe to the company. The money will be recorded in the account receivable in the SAP system. So this is the overview of data entry for the sales transaction. Now let's see an example. Log in the SAP system. First step, we need to go to Logistics. In SAP system, all the sales transactions are recorded in the Logistics function. It is a little different from the practical business operation. In SAP, we don't have an individual sales function. So remember, when you want to record the information for a sale, you need to go to Logistics function and then click Sales and Distribution. Go to Sales and then go to Order and then double click Create. First, we need to record some metadata for this sales. We need to type in the order type. Click the button, you will see all possible types. Let's choose OR, standard order, and then click the check sign. Next, you want to know which company made the sales. So choose the sales organization ID. You can either click the button or type in the organization ID directly. Let's choose UE00. So the Eastern US branch made the sales. We also need to record the distribution channel. Click the button. Let's choose WH, wholesale, and then click the check sign. We also need to record the division which made the sales transaction. Click the button next to division and then choose BI, bicycles division, and then click the check sign. Now click the check sign in the upper left corner to record more information about this transaction. First, we need to record the customer information. We want the manager to know to which company we sell the bicycles. If you already know the customer ID, you can type it in the Sort to Party box. If you don't know, you can search the ID. Let's click the button next to Sort to Party. You have several ways of searching the customer ID. Let's use Customers General tab. In the search term, type in asterisk and then type in 001. We want to show a list of customers with 001 in their IDs. and then click the check sign. Let's use Philip Bikes as the example customer. The company's ID is 3001 in our system. So choose Philip Bikes and then click the check sign. Next, we need to type in the order number. Let's use an example number, 65430. And then we need to record the order date. Let's use today's date as the example. Next, we want to record the delivery date. Let's use 1 week later as the example. And then we want to click the check sign in the upper left corner to record more information. Click the check sign when you see the billing date is redetermined. Now we want to record some information of the products that the customer ordered. Click Material and then click the button next to it. We want to search some example products. If you go to the upper right corner, you will see a folder icon. Click on this folder icon. You will see all the possible options of searching the products. Choose Sales Material by Description, the last one. In Material, type in some example code to search the example products. For instance, you can type in asterisk and then 001. Find all the products with 001 in their IDs. Click the check sign. Let's choose Deluxe Touring Bikes with black color as the example. Choose this product and then click the check sign. Now we need to type in how many bikes the customer ordered in the order quantity. Let's type in 5 as the example, and then click the check sign. Now we have recorded all the information about this order. We can save the information of this order. Click the Save button, and then at the bottom of your system, you can see an ID number. Standard order 8 has been saved. So in the future, you need to remember order 8 when you process more information. Now we can exit this window. Next step, we want to inform the warehouse to prepare for the orders. Let's go to Logistics, and then go to Sales and Distribution. This time we need to go to Shipment and Transportation. Open Shipment and Transportation folder. Now go to Outbound Delivery. Click Create. Click Single Documents. Double-click with reference to sales order. If you didn't close the SAP software, you continue working on the data entry, you will see the order number automatically show up in the order box in the outbound delivery window. Make sure the number is correct. Mine is 8. Your number could be a little different, but make sure that is the number you just saw in the system. The next thing you want to make sure is correct is the delivery date. We use the 1 week later as the delivery date, right? So here you need to choose the exact delivery date you just recorded. It should be 1 week later. So click the button next to it and then choose 1 week later. Also, you want to record from where you send out the package. Click the button next to shipping point and choose an example plant. Let's use MI00 as the example. After this, we can click the button in the upper left corner. Now we need to check out if the order is correct. This is the luxury touring bikes, and we are about to send out 5 bikes to the customers. So this is correct information, right? Next, we want to go to the Save button to record this information in the warehouse database. At the bottom of SAP, you will find the outbound delivery ID number. Remember this number, just in case we will use it in the future. You don't have to remember the whole numbers, but at least remember the last 3 or 4 digits in order to differentiate the transactions in your system. Mine is 0004. Yours could be a little different, so remember the ID number. Now we complete the data entry in the warehouse database. After we get the outbound delivery ID number, the warehouse department acknowledges that it has received the information of the customer's orders. They will start to prepare for the customer's orders. When the order is ready for shipment, the warehouse department needs to change the status of the customer's order. Now you need to record the information under Shipping and Transportation. Go to Outbound Delivery. This time choose the Change folder. And then double-click a single document. Make sure the outbound delivery ID is correct. It is the ID you just received from the SAP system. Mine is 004. Yours could be different, but make sure that is the ID number you get from the system. If the ID is correct, click the check sign in the upper left corner. This time choose the Picking tab. Click on Picking tab. Under Picking tab, make sure the products and the number of products you are about to send out are correct. And then under SLOC, choose the new storage location. Let's choose FGOO. This means finish the goals. And also under the pick the quality, type in 5. That means you are about to send out 5 bikes to the customers. And then click the Save button. Now at the bottom of the SAP software, you can find out a message showing that the outbound delivery status has been changed and saved. Now we have to perform a very important step. After you save the status change, you need to click the Post Goals Issue button to inform the company that you have sent out the customer's order. So click on the Post Goals Issue button. Now you can see a new status change. By doing so, the warehouse informed the sales department that they have sent out the customer's orders. Now we can exit this window. Next, the sales department need to record the information of receipts for the customer. This time, go to Logistics, and then go to Sales and Distribution. Go to Billing, and then click Billing Document. Choose Process Billing Due List. Double-click on Process Billing Due List. First of all, we need to type in some metadata of this billing transaction. In Sales Organization, choose UE00, the organization which made the sales. And then in Sort to Party, type in the customer ID. In our case, we use 3001 as the example, right? So type in 3001. And then in the upper left corner, click Display Bill List. Now you should see the customer order information. Click on the collective billing document. Now the status has changed. Click the Save button and then exit this window. Now we finish the data entry for the billing process. We can exit this window as well. Now we need to go to Account Receivable to record the information of the money we should collect from the customers. Click Accounting and then click Financial Accounting. Click Account Receivable. And then choose Document Entry. Double click on Incoming Payments. First, we need to record the document date. Choose today's date. Next, we want to type in the account number, 1 with 5 zeros. That means the company wants to collect money through banks. And type in the amount the company plans to collect back. It is 15,000. Make sure the currency is US dollar. Next, we want to record the customer ID number, 3001. And then click the Process Open Items button in the upper left corner. Make sure the not assigned balance is 0. If not, double click on the 15,000 under USD gross column to make it as 0 for the not assigned balance. If the not assigned balance is 0, click the Save button. Now you get a new ID number. This is the ID for the account receivable transaction. By doing so, accounting informs the manager that they have recorded the money the customers owes to the company. Now we have finished the whole process of data entry for a sales transaction.